Hello dear students, once again welcome from the Chowra Public School, Dhule for today's offline session. Yes dear student, today's offline session you are going to learn social studies. Already 3 times you revise these lessons from 5 to 9 which are going to come for your periodic test 2. Correct? So last or previous lecture you have been revise lesson number 5. Now today we are going to revise the lesson number 6, that is the land of dense forest. So in this lesson we are going to see the today's points. These are the Democratic Republic of Congo. It can call DRC also. So it is the second largest country in Africa. Then 23.5 lakh square kilometer area of this DRC. The equator is passing through the northern part of DRC, the land of dense forest. So, the location of the country. This country is situated in the Central Africa, surrounded by the 9 countries. So, that these all points we are going to see in details also. So in land we will see the different landforms, the different part of that land, rivers of that land. Then climate, how is the climate? Of course, if the dense forest is there, so climate will be hot and wet. So DRC's climate is hot and wet. Then the vegetation, which types of vegetations are growing here. So this detailed information we are going to see through the slide show. I hope you would enjoy this lesson. If you have any query, you can ask me afterwards by the phone calls.
Dear students, now we'll take some details about land. So, River Congo, the second longest river of Africa, flow through the country. The country lies in the center of river basin, which is vast low-lying area or plain land covered with rainforest. The plains are surrounded by the mountains and plateaus. The Rwenzori Mountains are to the northeast of the country. The country has 4 major lakes on its eastern border. The first one is Albert, then Edward, Kivu, and Tanganyika. So these lakes lie along the eastern boundary of the country. Now we'll know the detail about the climate of DRC. So, dear student, the DRC, the country has an equatorial climate. It is very hot and rainy throughout the year. Humidity is very high, which makes it uncomfortable all times. Mornings are generally pleasant. At noon, the temperature is very high and heat is unbearable. Gradually, clouds build up, resulting in heavy rain. In the afternoons, evenings, and nights are cool and comfortable. Now, dear students, will take some more information about the vegetation of the land of dense forest. In hot and humid region, trees and other plants grow quickly. The forest have a large variety of trees. Most of the trees are tall and form a dense canopy. At the top, even sunlight cannot pass through it. These forests remain green throughout the year and are called evergreen forest. These forests are so dense that it is difficult to pass through them. So, dear student, today we revise the land of dense forest topics, DRC, then location of DRC, land, climate, and vegetation. I hope you understood this lesson very well. Now here as a homework I am attaching one worksheet with this video. You have to solve that worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.